What's up, YouTube? My name is Justin. I teach tips and tricks in the party rental industry. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about drying air inflatables and getting ready for the end of season. Before we get started, go ahead and text this phone number right here. Say hey, say something provocative, doesn't matter to me. Text that phone number, you're going to get a link to sign up for our newsletter for free. That newsletter is going to give you free information on all kinds of companies and a bunch of different deals and a bunch of items you can buy for your businesses. Tents, tables, chairs, bounce houses, concession machines, games, who knows it. I'm going to scrounge up as much as I can get for you and get it to you once a month. So go ahead and text this phone number down here. You heard me say this once before, and I'm going to say it a million times, but like when you leave an inflatable wet, over time, it's just going to get moldy and mildewy and it's going to smell. It's just going to be a bad situation. So you want to be routinely drying these out, especially if you're about to put them away for winter. What I'll do is I'll actually get a checklist and I'll write all my units out for the entire year. And like this time of year, I'll actually go ahead and go one by one through each and every single unit and make sure every single thing is like spick and span, nice and clean, absolutely dry, and then we'll go from there. Sometimes like I'll rent one of these out and like a water slide. I got a water slide going out next week, and then we'll just take that as a basis and we'll dry from there. You want to get these, like it's October right now, beginning of October, end of September. You really want to get up on these things now because it's the type of season where anywhere you are in the US, it kind of gets rainy this time of year. And you're not going to be 100% sure if you're going to be able to dry these things out or not. So, especially if you're up north where I am, you don't want to take any chances. There's times where it snowed in October, so who knows. So that's the gist of the video. Make sure you go dry your stuff out. Make sure you're on top of all your units and getting them all cleaned and dried out for the end of the season. Go ahead and make sure you sign up for that newsletter. Text the phone number that was on screen. It's going to be in the link in the description as well. And make sure you stay safe, everybody.